heart. The sun is rising slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The heart is not the food for you to eat. You can't have all you need till you see. But I have seen the shame, I know the shame in your defeat. Choke on the noose around your neck, and now my strength and pain, and I will change my ways. I know my name as it's called again. To fill my time, you take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me have the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to the post and block my ears. I can see the window door thin through my tears. I know my fault despite my fault, despite my growing fears. But I will hold on. So come out of your cave, walking on your hands, and see the world hanging upside down. You understand dependence when you know the Maker's hand. So make your sirens call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I need to know how to live my life as it's meant to be.
Bob on the mic doing a little bit of Mumford & Sons in the Cave. Good job. All right, let me go and get Chloe up here doing my song. I'll let you have a break off of it. Hey, Paul, wherever Paul is, he is coming up right after this song. All right, guys, here's a little bit of pretty